What's up, friends and family? Wanted to put this video together for you because far easier to put a quick video together to share this with everybody at one time rather than trying to do this a million times for each and every one of you. So my wife and I set up our Infinite Bank 2 years ago, and it has already allowed us to pay off $40,000 in credit card debt. This system is going to help us now to also pay off our home loan, which would have taken us 30 years, and 2 auto loans. Instead of it taking 30 years to do that, we're gonna pay everything off in 7 years and 10 months, which is gonna save us over $400,000. That is how powerful this system is. Sounds like witchcraft, sounds too good to be true. I get it. That's because we're stuck in the rat race. We're stuck in the default system. We're stuck in what I'm about to show you right now. And then I'm gonna show you the way that the wealthy people do their banking. Okay? So, we all get this system, right? We go to work, we deposit some money in our bank account. A few $100s a week, a couple $1,000s a week, whatever the case might be. Then, those dollars go to our expenses. We pay those to our mortgage, our car loan, credit cards, utilities, groceries. If we're lucky enough, maybe we got some leisure money, right? Typically that doesn't happen because 80% of you, statistically, are living paycheck to paycheck. We're gonna fix that. Those dollars that you have worked so hard for are now gone forever. They've left your family's economy. You worked for them, you spent the money, it's gone. Then you do that again. And again, think about this. How many millions of dollars have you earned in your lifetime that are now gone? Gone out of your family's economy forever. This is the default system, guys. We go to work, we deposit money in Bank of America, Chase, Wells Fargo, where we typically earn less than 1% interest. Then they take our hard-earned money and they loan that out at 4.85% for a mortgage, 8% for a car loan, 14% for a credit card, maybe worse. Okay? They make all of that interest, guys, and they pay us 1% out of the greatness of their heart. We're taught to believe in the default system that we're supposed to save our money and invest our money in the stock market. How's that working out for everybody? Do you know anyone that has comfortably retired on a 401k or on Social Security? There's a better way, guys, I'm gonna show you. And all you have to do is change one simple step in the way you do your banking. Okay? We're gonna set up an Infinite Bank. Again, this is a 200-year-old proven system that is contractually guaranteed. 200-year-old proven system, not a single defaulted contract in the United States in over 300 years. Now, let me explain this to you guys. This is a whole life insurance banking policy, okay? So this represents your death benefit, okay? Now, on that death benefit, set this over here so you can continue to see this. Your death benefit is there, which we don't really care about. We're not doing this for death benefit. You can go get a term policy and get a death benefit. That has nothing to do with this. The only purpose that death benefit serves is that death benefit is used as collateral. Now, when you put money into this account, you are guaranteed a 4% return plus potential dividends. Notice the asterisk. The dividend is not promised, it's not guaranteed. However, that is laughable because in 115 years of our company being in existence, they've never missed a single dividend payment. Over the last 20 years, we've averaged a 9.5% return. I know you can make a little bit more in a stock market on average, which I think I've heard as high as 11 or 12%, but I'll get back to that in a second. This is what makes this so powerful. Now that we're implementing an Infinite Bank and adding that one extra step, we're gonna get rid of this because instead of your money being gone forever, it's gonna get trapped in this closed loop system where you're earning interest and dividends for the rest of your life. So you go to work, you make that money. Now you transfer that money into your Infinite Bank. Now that money is trapped there forever, earning you interest and dividends, and it's uninterrupted. That dollar amount every month or every year, depending on how you want to make deposits into your bank. Every time you make money, deposit it in your bank, and then put it in your Infinite Bank. This dollar amount just grows and grows and grows. It never gets any smaller. You're just earning interest and dividends on an ever growing amount. Essentially what's happening here is this is a savings account on steroids that only recognizes your deposits and never accounts for your withdrawals. Here's how that works. This is the part that sounds like witchcraft. There is something in this policy, this specially engineered whole life insurance banking policy, that has what is called a non-direct recognition loan. That means when you take a loan against your death benefit, it does not affect the dollar amount in which you have put into your infinite bank. This is hugely powerful. Let me show you why, guys. You get to take a loan from your death benefit, and this isn't something you have to wait 3 to 5 years to access. Literally, days after you put your money into this account, you can pull money out and utilize those dollars immediately. Again, this isn't typical where you have to wait 3 to 5 years to access any of the cash value in your bank. Immediately, you get to use those same dollars that you were gonna maybe pay bills with. Maybe this was money that was gonna go to savings anyways. Maybe this is money that was gonna go to your mortgage, your car loan, credit cards, etc. Doesn't matter where that money came from. Here's what happens. You deposit that money from your account into your bank account. Then they give you however much money you need to borrow from your bank. If you've deposited it, you can pull it out. At some point, you literally get to put in $100 and take out $200. It's that powerful. So now that money is closed in this closed loop system where you're going to earn interest and dividends for the rest of your life. Now you take that prepayment of your death benefit. Now those dollars go back into your account. Now you can still spend that money to pay bills, to pay your mortgage, your car loans, credit cards, utilities, groceries, whatever. Everything stays the same from this point on. Now you pay those expenses, but instead of those dollars being gone out of your family's economy forever, like what was happening before, those dollars are trapped in this system, guys. Those dollars are earning you interest and dividends for the rest of your life. That's powerful stuff, guys. It's not taking dollars out of your day-to-day life. It's literally letting you spend those dollars the same exact way that you are now, but trapping them in this system first, where you earn guaranteed interest and dividends on all of your earned and spent dollars for the rest of your life. Please reach out to me, guys. Everything that I'm doing right now is for free. This education is free. Schedule 30 or 45 minutes with me so I can answer your specific questions, figure out exactly what your financial goals are, whether it's to increase your tax-free additional income on a monthly basis, or to retire earlier, or to get out of debt earlier, or pay off your house in a third of the time with a third of the money. Whatever your financial goals are, setting up a college fund for your children. Maybe you want to figure out how to take your real estate capital because you flip real estate. You want to figure out how to get that stagnant capital earning you 9.5% return while it's sitting there doing nothing, and also while you're using it to flip houses. There is not an example or a family or a situation that I have talked to yet that was not going to hugely benefit from this system. I'm here to help, guys. Obviously, I do not do this for free. All of this is going to cost you nothing. And if you choose to set it up, it's going to put tons of additional tax-free income in your pockets now and for the rest of your life. So it literally, genuinely costs you nothing. If it's putting money in your pocket, it's not costing you anything, right? So I do get paid by this, obviously, in complete disclosure, but I do not make a penny unless this makes sense to you and you guys choose to take advantage of that tax-free additional income, early retirement, early debt payoff. The insurance company pays me for my services. You guys will never pay me or my company a penny. Once you have become a client, once you have become a customer of ours, we put together what is called a financial roadmap, where we take every single one of your debts and put those into a very complicated spreadsheet, which takes into account the interest and the time in which it's currently going to take you to pay off those debts. And then we put that into this spreadsheet along with the interest and dividends that you're contractually guaranteed to make with this system I just shared with you. And together that will extrapolate and show you when you will become debt-free with this system versus how much more money and how much more time it would have taken you on the path that you're currently on. Guys, again, 100% risk-free. There is zero ways for you to lose with this system. and there's a whole lot of ways for you to gain. I'm here to help. Please reach out to me. I love you all. Hope to talk to you soon.